Assalamu-Alaikum, everyone. My name is Muhammad Kamran, and today I'll guide you through the process of installing a Chrome extension specifically designed to help you mark attendance in Google Meet. This will take only a few minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have a powerful tool that automatically tracks attendance, making online classes and meetings much easier to manage. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome and log in to your Gmail account. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. It's important to make sure you're logged in to your Gmail account so that the extension can sync properly with your Google Meet sessions. Step 2. Search for the extension. Once you're logged in, go to google.com and type in Google Meet Attendance Chrome extension. This search should bring up a list of options. Look for the extension specifically designed for Google Meet attendance and click on its link. This extension will help you mark attendance automatically, saving you from manual attendance processes. Step 3. Install the extension. Now that you've found the extension page, look for a button that says Add to Chrome. When you click it, a small pop-up window will appear, asking for permission to add the extension. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will install the extension, and you'll see a notification confirming it's been added. Step 4. Pin the extension to your toolbar. Once the extension is installed, it's helpful to pin it to your Chrome toolbar for easy access. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the puzzle piece icon, which represents your list of extensions. Find Google Meet Attendance in that list and click on the small pin icon next to it. This action will pin the extension to your toolbar, making it easy to access whenever you need it. Step 5. Enable auto attendance. To activate the attendance feature, click on the extension icon you just pinned to your toolbar. A small window will open, showing options for tracking attendance. Toggle on the auto attendance feature. This setting will allow the extension to automatically start tracking whenever you start a Google Meet session. At the end of each meeting, a new tab will open, showing the attendance results in detail. Step 6. Test the extension by starting a meeting. To ensure everything is working correctly, let's test the extension. Start a Google Meet session. This can be a new meeting or a scheduled one. Join from another account if possible to check how the extension captures participants. Step 7. Review and export attendance. Now, click on the extension icon to confirm that it's actively tracking the session. As the meeting progresses, the extension will record each participant's attendance. When you end the meeting, a new tab will automatically open, displaying a summary of who attended the session. You'll have the option to export this attendance data as a .csv file, which you can save and refer to later. One of the best features of this extension is its ability to keep records of all your meetings, including dates, times, and participant lists. This makes it especially useful for teachers or managers who need accurate attendance records. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Google Meet attendance extension on Chrome and tested it. Now you're ready to take attendance in a much faster, more organized way. I hope this guide makes your experience with Google Meet a little easier and saves you valuable time. Thank you for following along, and enjoy this simple, effective solution for marking attendance.